Hi guys. So today I'm going to show you something that you may need. So building an MVP or a SaaS product is simple. So we guys almost all the time will try to make it a complicated and a complex project. We can actually make money with simple app like this notepad. So let me check the site traffic. So you can see have a monthly of 1.6 million, 1.7, an average of 1.5 million users or traffic in this site. A simple notepad site. We can build this in vanilla HTML and CSS for adding JS, also adding JS pages. So it's simple as that. So users need this. Users or people use this stuff to you know, this is useful for the most people. Okay, and we can so we can just look for what technology it is using. So it uses Vue.js, jQuery, and GitHub pages to host this site. So what I'm going to do is I brought an clone domain of this. Like you can check it out. So I brought it around $2 or something. Just that. So here we have only notepad.lol. LOL, okay. And we are going to build a clone of this application, and we can check how it will go in, what it will do, and we can make required changes. So guys, how will this kind of site make money? Through ads. Let me turn off the ad blocker and we can see it have Google ads with it, AdSense. So it made it on average $20,000 and yearly revenue can be generated using this simple site with this ads, an average of $20,000, guys. Okay, and we are trying to make this make money from this kind of simple website. And on next video we are going to build this stuff and publish it, and just looking to make some money. Yeah, peace out. Where is my okay?